If you're a property manager looking for a way to streamline your operations, improve tenant satisfaction, and reduce costs, then this video is for you. We know how challenging property management can be with endless maintenance requests, tenant communication, and paperwork. That's why we created MagicDoor, a modern AI-powered solution designed to make your job easier and more efficient. Today, I'm going to show you how MagicDoor can transform your property management experience. So what exactly is MagicDoor? Well, MagicDoor is an all-in-one property management platform powered by advanced AI. It's built specifically for property managers to simplify everyday tasks. Imagine automating tenant communication, rent collection, maintenance requests, and more, all with one tool. No more juggling multiple systems, apps, or tedious manual processes. MagicDoor brings everything under one roof, helping you manage properties more efficiently than ever before. Now let's talk about the magic behind MagicDoor, our AI. This isn't just another basic software, it's AI powered and built to tackle your daily challenges. MagicDoor is the first property management software to actually implement AI, rather than just a chatbot. So here's how it helps. Maintenance request. When a tenant submits a maintenance request, our AI steps in to summarize the issue and provide an urgency score out of 100. This way, you know immediately which tasks need your attention and which ones can wait. Our AI also has automatic runbooks. And to top it off, our AI automatically creates a group chat with the vendor, tenant, and you. This centralizes all communication, making it easier to track updates and coordinate solutions all in one place. Automatic runbooks. So you heard me mention automatic runbooks, but what is that? Well, as soon as a tenant submits a request, our AI kicks off by asking a series of targeted questions, like when did this happen and where is the problem located? Not only does this gather essential details up front, but it also suggests potential solutions if applicable. By the time you or your vendor review the issue, many of the critical questions are already answered, saving you valuable time. Smart communication. On top of the automated runbooks, MagicDoor's AI even offers real-time translation, breaking down language barriers and improving communication with tenants of all backgrounds. The AI offers a message polishing feature to make sure your texts are clear and professional. And there's an amazing option to summarize a tenant's message if it is unclear. Streamlined rent collection. Tired of chasing down late payments? Well, our AI sends automated rent reminders, processes payments, and keeps track of each transaction for you. It's like having a virtual assistant that handles your rent collection effortlessly. Rental applications. MagicDoor's AI also takes the guesswork out of screening rental applications. It automatically ranks each application out of 100 based on the information the tenant provides. You'll receive a clear summary explaining the score, highlighting key factors like income, rental history, and more. This gives you a quick, data-driven way to identify the most qualified applicants, speeding up the leasing process and helping you fill vacancies faster. Now you might be thinking, why do I need new technology for my property management? Well, the truth is the industry is evolving. With more properties to manage and higher tenant expectations, traditional methods just don't cut it anymore. Here's why modern tech like MagicDoor is essential. Efficiency. MagicDoor helps you complete tasks up to 10 times faster. Instead of spending hours coordinating with tenants, vendors, and owners, you can automate these processes and focus on what matters, growing your business. Cost savings. By streamlining communication, automating maintenance, and reducing manual work, MagicDoor can save you up to 60% in operational costs. Imagine what you could do with all those savings. Enhanced tenant satisfaction. Today's tenants expect quick responses and seamless service. MagicDoor's AI-driven communication ensures tenants get real-time updates, improving their overall experience and increasing your reputation as a property manager. Scalability. If you're managing properties the old-fashioned way, scaling up means more stress and inefficiency. But with MagicDoor, you can effortlessly manage more properties without increasing your workload. Our AI grows with you, adapting to your needs as you expand. And that is just the beginning of how MagicDoor can transform your business. Let's take a quick look at how easy it is to use MagicDoor. With just one login, you can access all your properties, track maintenance requests, communicate with tenants, and view reports. The system is designed to be user-friendly, so you and your team can get up to speed in no time. Plus, you get real-time notifications and updates to keep you informed and in control. Ready to take your property management to the next level? MagicDoor is here to revolutionize how you manage properties, save you time, reduce cost, and improve tenant satisfaction. Schedule a free demo with us today and see firsthand how MagicDoor can transform your business. We're so excited to show you what MagicDoor can do for your properties. For a free demo, go to magicdoor.com. See you there.